I've been using this Nike armband when I go out for a walk and just want to listen to a podcast and have my phone with me. It's been pretty solid in day to day use. It's lightweight and easy to strap on. And I like that I can still interact with my phone screen way more easily than I thought would be possible through this protective cover. It's not bulky, so once it's on, I almost forget it's there. I haven't tested it on harder workouts, but I doubt there'll be any issues with this staying put. The fit feels secure without having to tighten unbearably, and I appreciate that it's a simple way to carry my phone hands-free when I don't want gloves or pockets getting in the way. It's made of a mix of neoprene, polyester, and other materials that are meant to handle sweat and movement reasonably well. Of course, that's not so much an issue for me walking, but working out, yeah, might be. Anyway, this is a really lean design. There are more expensive versions out there with pockets and, I don't know, little extra pieces so that you can move the phone, etc. But this is just a simple one. Overall, it's comfortable, functional, and does what it's supposed to do without fuss. Given its straightforward design, I'd say it's a dependable choice for casual workouts and errands, and it's very affordable. So yeah, I recommend.